Hi friends, today we talk about known finites. Known finites is a kind of verbs. Students, you can see there are two types of verbs, finites and known finites. Now we talk about what is the difference between finites and known finites. What is finites verbs and known finites? Friends, finite verbs are those verbs which are changed according to tense, subject. And non-finites are the verbs that are not changed according to subject and tense. We take some examples to understand finite verbs and non-finite verbs. Finite verbs: he plays, he plays, they play, we played. Students, we talk about these verbs, plays, and that is changing according to subject. Here plays, and here play, and here played. It is changing according to subject and tense. So we can say finite verbs. And some verbs that are not changed according to tense and according to subject are called non-finite verbs. Now we talk about non-finite verbs. She wants to swim. They wanted to swim. Now the subject is she, and here the subject is they. She wants to swim. They wanted to swim. This verb changed according to tense and according to subject. But this verb swim, there is no changes in the verbs to swim, to swim. It remains unchangeable with the effect of subject and tense. Friends, देखिए ये जो swim word है, there are two verbs in a sentence, wants, wanted. We can't say it is a non-finite verbs, but we say to swim is a non-finite verbs because it is unchangeable, and wants and wanted is changeable verbs. So to swim is a non-finite verbs. Clear? Difference between finites and non-finites. Now we talk about its kinds, non-finites. What are the kinds of non-finites? There are three kinds of non-finites: infinitive, gerund, and participle. Infinitive, there are two kinds of infinitive. First, to infinitive, and second, bare infinitive. And second type of two non-finites, gerund. First form of the verb is used. First form plus ing is used in gerund. एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट टू इन्फिनेटिव, अगर हम बात करें टू इन्फिनेटिव की, टू इन्फिनेटिव क्या होता है फ्रेंड्स? इन्फिनेटिव इज द रूट फॉर्म एंड वी यूज टू आफ्टर बिफोर द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. वी कैन से टू प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म. वी कैन से टू प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म. एंड बेयर इन्फिनेटिव, only the root form of the verb can say bare infinitive. And gerund, first form plus ing is called gerund. And participle, there is three kinds of participle. First आता है present participle, and second past participle, and third perfect participle. Present participle is also first form of the verb plus ing is called present participle. And present participle works as an adjective. past participle, third form of the verb is called past participle. Perfect participle. Perfect participle having plus third form of the verb, having plus third form of the verb is called perfect participle. Friends, we have talked about infinitive, gerund, and gerund works as a noun in a sentence. Gerund works as a noun. gerund किसका काम करता है फ्रेंड्स? gerund नाउन का काम करता है सेंटेंस के अंदर. और पार्टिसिपल फ्रेंड्स किसका काम करता है? एडजेक्टिव का काम करता है. इसको हम एडजेक्टिव की फॉर्म में हम यूज करते हैं. We take some examples. Gerund, and there is a confusion between gerund and present participle because the form is same in both the non-finite verbs. First form of the verb plus ing and first form of the verb plus ing both use the same form of the verb. दोनों में सेम फॉर्म यूज की जा रही है, प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल में भी और जीरंड में भी. लेकिन डिफरेंस क्या है फ्रेंड्स? जीरंड जो है नाउन का काम करता है और पार्टिसिपल जो है वो एडजेक्टिव का काम करता है. दैट इज सफिशिएंट फॉर दिस वीडियो एंड we will discuss the rules, regulations one by one in next videos. So thank you for watching.